Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna have a tutorial on a really addicting game called Monthly Idol K-Pop Idol Maker. So what is this game? Monthly Idol is a K-pop idol simulation game where you are an owner of an entertainment company and you're gonna train your own K-pop idol group. Even if you're not into Red Velvet, EXO, BTS, Blackpink, even if you're not a fan at all, you will get addicted to this game, I swear, and you will understand the process of how to make a K-pop idol group. So let's start. So here I have my K-pop group, and first I'm going to show you the basics on how to train your members. So we click on manage. You see that you have different kinds of members, and they have different kinds of stats, and they have fan ranks. So how to train them and level them up to another rank is, I suggest, the main thing that I do is to go to trainees. And how to get a trainee, so let's show you here. So first you go to casting, and then I suggest you go to casting by ads, because first you don't have to spend in money and you get a member for free because you don't have to spend anything. So I'll fast forward to this ad. Actually, the great part of this is that you get a trainee and you don't need to spend. So once you finish the ad, you get a member. So actually, when you get the same member, your stats already get higher. That is another way to raise your rank. But I also suggest that you go to trainees and then get one trainee. Fan rank of this idol is C. So I press feed to idol option button, and this is really the best way to train your idol. So I'll choose Bongsu, choose yes, and then half of their skills will go to the existing train partner group member that you have, and it will level up their stats and get half of the skills of what member what trainee you used. So after this, of course, you have to produce an album. I already have an album ongoing, but usually in your album you choose a concept, and there are 5 concepts here. So there's cute, pretty, cool, sexy, and others. And here you get to get the hair and clothes, because you have to meet stats to actually get the concept of your album into a really good concept. So you need to have the skills of the hair and clothes. I suggest you use ads to gacha on both on hair and clothes, so you can get what you want. So it's watching another video again, but it's fine, you could do it. So also, when you create your album, you get to sell your album. So pre-order for album, there's a timer on that. You let your pre-order album go, and then you sell the album, and then after that you will see if you're in the top in the charts, your music streaming, record sales, YouTube review. And after that, you could do scheduled meetings like fan meetings, autograph session. It will make you gain experience and also money, and also fans and more money. Also, there's a concert option. You choose all your members. Usually I choose all my members. You make the ticket price into an actual good level, and then the settlement ratio should be 5-5, so all your idols would get the money that they actually deserve. And then you choose a stadium, and then you go have a concert. So that's how you do it here. Press go. And then one last thing is that to further upgrade your office or your trainers, you could go to shop, and then here you could see the job offer. You could upgrade your vocal trainer, your dance trainer, your van, your food shop. It gives you boosts to your idol members, and then the buff shop you need to pay real money for this, so you could skip that. Then the office, you could upgrade your office and then make it really, really great for your members. So that's it for this tutorial. It's quick, it's easy, and even though the game could be complicated at times after the tutorial, this video will serve as a beginner's guide and give you all the tips that you could to make a really great K-pop idol group. Thanks for watching. Bye.